What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Irwin and Life, and today we are going to be doing some quick lunchtime fishing. I actually came to work this morning and went on Google Maps and found that there is a pond 8 minutes away from where I work. So we're going to go check it out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, drop me a comment, like the video, and click on that notification bell. Let's do that. All right, what's up, everybody? We just got to the spot here. I'm actually unloading everything. Excuse the truck for being such a huge mess right now, but we are here at the new spot. Water seems fairly clear, so today I'm gonna try to fish a spinnerbait or this white chatterbait. Maybe there's fish in here, I'm hoping. Dude, it's like crystal clear. You can see all the way at the bottom. Hopefully they are not too far out in the actual deep out there. This is the first time I've ever fished here, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. But let's see. Dude, that looks really, really clear underwater. Oh, just seeing some fish coming after it. Ooh. Crap. Oh man, this is not good. Got my spinnerbait stuck on that edge over there. All right, I'm gonna creep over there, see if I can get it out. That is not good. I don't wanna lose a spinnerbait during lunch break. Wasted most of my time just losing baits. See if I can get it out. Unfortunately, what I have on is braid, so I won't be able to actually reach over and get it off. Yeah, it's wrapped around the corner here. Jeez, all right, did I get it off? All right, let's see if I got it unsnagged. There we go. Again, I've never been out here, so I've pretty much got 30 minutes to an hour to fish this new spot. I don't want to be stuck at one spot the whole time, or stuck fishing the same bait. Let's see if this makes a difference. Oh, the wind's blowing like crazy out here. All right, so far there's no fish under these piers. Maybe I'll fish a little bit further down this way. Lock the Jeep. Got my scissors, got my tackle box. This is awesome. Really wish we had a place like this out where I lived. I was told by some of the locals out here from before that there are some pretty big bass in here, but who's to say there are or not if you're not actually catching them? Like I said, I only got a couple of minutes, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. 12:06. Let's see if I can bag me a good one. Oh yeah, this looks like a good spot. Right here. I'll do is I'll fish this chatterbait down here a little. Maybe there might be some bass hiding out by these rocks. All right. All right, got this jerkbait tied on. And let's see if I can get anything out here. So I'm just giving it a twitch, 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 reel, twitch, 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 reel, twitch, 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 reel. There we go. Ooh, first fish on a jerkbait. Nice. That's awesome. That sucker came straight for it too. First fish on a jerkbait. Get the pliers out. And got him right in the gill plate. First one on a jerkbait. Well, that was literally my first ever jerkbait fish. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Slide. 1, 2, 3. Reel. 1, 2, 3. It's a pretty easy technique if you ask me, guys. I mean, it's not hard. You know, around this time the water is really warm. The fish are a little bit more active. So having a good suspended jerkbait actually works really well. Obviously, you could tell. Just got my first bass on a jerkbait with the first cast on it. Using a jerkbait, of course. That was cool. Let's see if I can get another one. Just kind of working it, 1, 2, 3. You know, if you do this for a while, your forearms are gonna be burning. It's actually good to build up some muscle memory using this jerkbait. Ooh, got a bunch of salad on here. I know it's lunch break, but at least give me some ranch. All right, guys, just a few minutes before I gotta head back out to work, I tied on a jerkbait and I ended up catching one right on the first cast. So I'm gonna do a few more casts here and then I'm gonna head out. Lipless crankbait that I had, and I caught a bass. Nice. Let's get him unhooked and let's get him released. It's a little baby one, but still, it counts. All right, buddy. Appreciate it. Thanks. What's going on, guys? So, man, this lunch break was a pretty crazy grind. I ended up catching 2 fish, well, 2 bass actually. One on a jerkbait and one on a lipless crankbait that I had. And right at the very end too. That was pretty amazing. First time I've ever fished there. First time I ever caught a bass with a jerkbait. And I'm pretty happy with myself. I'm actually gonna hit that spot again later on. If you like these videos, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on that notification button below. And as always, guys, keep fishing.